It's Suzanne, a creative muse, and I have a project share. Some of the projects, I haven't finished all of them yet, but for BeKi Cat Store on AliExpress. And like I've said, this is about the fifth time. These dies are designed by Nicole Silhouette for the BeKi Cat Store. I had to sing it to get it straight, right? So let's get started. First up, we have, and I'll link at the end of the video, the product share video. So you can also see that there. I'll put links for what I do show here, but maybe by Tuesday I'll be finished with the rest. So this is the pencil case gift holder, treat holder, which could be used for back to school, or, you know, in this case, Halloween for the kids. I did a Halloween style. And yes, I have to do a tutorial on this because, you know, yeah. It can get a little, it has little points where you're like, I want to rip my hair out. But look how much space you get in there. No, I didn't put any treats in there. And I like that you can fit everything in here. And it's approximately, where is my ruler? Yes, here it is. 6 inches, 6 inches tall. How wide? Almost 3 inches wide. So you can fit a bunch of treats in there, candies and stuff. Make a lot. The first one I made, oh, I was hating it. Then, you know, the second and the third, it was like, then I started, you know, getting used to it and how it comes together. What I do like, the bottom here, I did put 110-pound cardstock. The rest of it, I didn't. Because once you start wrapping this, if you use 110-pound cardstock with the scoring on the die, you're not going to see it. You're not going to see it. So it's easier to work with thinner paper. Not crazy thin, but just thinner paper. This is a die from my stash. This is also a die from my stash. Yeah, but it does come with this trim, which I'd used here. And I kind of like keeping it like a pencil, like a real pencil. You know, so I did do black on the top. And on the top, I used basil. Because this little piece, which is this, fits so well and really holds the structure together. Because, oops, if you don't put this on, this thing is still like all like this at the top, because we're like gluing corners all the way around. These are the corner edges, and this is what holds everything in place. Now here, see right there, the base is craft cardstock, which you saw at the bottom. But she gives you these pieces, these decorative pieces, so you can go flat, or you can go like this, which is like a real pencil. And so funny. How many times in your life have you used a real pencil? All the time. I had to look at a pencil to see what this was. Like, oh yeah, it really does go up like that. So Nicole took her time making this. She gave it to you, you could go flat. She gave it to you, you can go like this. Now this now is that little silver rim around a pencil. Did I bring a pencil with me? Of course not. Little silver rim around a pencil. That's that border where the eraser is. Now I know when I did the reveal, the product share, I thought this was an eraser, but no, it's not. It's just to hold these together. Now, first one I did glue this, but once you glue it, you can't get into it. So I think the best way to do it is to just leave it open. And it does have a back with a little slit right here, and you tuck it in the slit, and it's ready to go. So now this is also a die from my stash. The little broom. I think this is Cottage Cuts. It's so cute, right? So you get to play all day. And there is a back. And whoever receives this, trust me, they're not going to be like, what's that? Everything has a front and a back. That's the back. So I put, you know, keep the fun in the front, forget about the back. This one has a back too, but I don't even know where the back is. Maybe all these stripes right here. I covered it differently. So every time I've done this, I learned something new about how to put it together. But isn't that adorable? I mean, isn't that nice? Really, really nice. So I'm in love with the pencil case. Give it to your friends. If your friend Bible journals, give them this case. Kids, give them the case. Teachers, give them the case. Great little treat box. So that's this die. Wonderful. I knew it was wonderful when I got it and did a review of it. Just not even putting it together, then put it together, I'm even more in love. And yet here we go. This next one up, Slimline, the Slimline card with the bracketed edges and the snowflakes. No, I did not put it on a magnetic sheet yet. Didn't have time to. I was busy crafting. All right, so then these are the snowflakes. And there is 5 of them. Oh gosh, there's 6 of them actually. As you can see, these are my little extras that I had cut. Well, actually, I can show you as samples. There you go. So great quality snowflakes that cut well, comparable to other snowflake dies that I do have. Love this. Love all of them. So this is like another twofer. You get to make the Slimline card, and then also you get this bonus with the snowflakes and 6 snowflakes. So now here, with the base, you can use this for anything. So here's the base, which is not stitched. Let me show you, and I will do a tutorial on it. It's not stitched. Can you see it? And then the rest, the other 2 inner pieces are stitched. Stitched edge. Stitched edge. And so what I did for this one, oh, the phone is just acting up today with the focusing. I don't know what's going on. Sorry, guys. This is the outermost, which is, right? Yes, this one here without the stitching. And then I did the inner one. No, not this. I didn't do the second one. I did the third one. I wanted a bigger border. See the stitching and the border? And this is a new paper pack from Michaels. They had that $4.99 paper pack last week sale. This is a die from my stash. I think it's Creative Expression. May your Christmas sparkle. Just this one was super easy to put together. Pattern paper. Paper comes like this already, ready to go. Pattern paper, snowflakes, done. So you can you can turn out a whole bunch of cards like this. If you wanted to size it down, you would have a hard edge, but you could do it. Meaning, if you wanted to, make the card this tall, you would just have a hard edge there. If you don't want to do slimline, but why not? And this one is super flat, so to mail this would be, regular standard, should be standard price for an envelope. Alrighty, so that's that one, and yes, I'm putting it back because I don't want to lose the pieces. I love this set. Love, 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 love. Especially after working with it, love it even more. I don't I love something and then I really love it once I start working with it and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is all good. All right, now this is the planner page. Super cute. Let's get close up to it. And there you can see the scallop edge with the holes. Now what I did use distress ink on this side because it's a coffee theme. So I wanted to kind of, not have it these, white edges. I just wanted to have, some little fun edges. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. This is that same ephemera pack I showed you from Hobby Lobby. And here are the dies. So we had the outer piece, which is stitched. The inner piece here, which is this, and it gives you a nice, about a half an inch border. And then these 2 layering pieces, which can be used on other projects. Right here, I did the chocolate brown glitter cardstock, love. And then the inner piece, I found this plaid paper, Joann's, love. And this is a little die from my stash with the pumpkin. I told you, Thanksgiving this year and the gratitude. I am thankful to be alive. Thankful all my friends and family are doing well. Thankful that you guys seem to be doing good too. And for our sanity, we are crafting. As you can't, go any and everywhere like we used to. So there you go. Although everything is opening up now, but still. Next up, another planner page. This one, fun again. Using those snowflake dies. Where did I put them? Alrighty, I'm back. I was having snowflake issues. These are the snowflake dies. that I got from Ali that I bought. And I did use them to help make this cute little planner page. So we have, I showed you this in the product video before, the base piece, the inner layering piece, which is, thank goodness. Then this beautiful label layering piece and another inner piece in an oval, and then the word memories. So I used everything in the set. Look at that. Just with some pattern paper and some layering with some pop foam, adhesive foam. And here I cut out the word, you know, really, really, really cute. And all my little snowflakes. And then I stuck some little jewelry bits, little bling on it. So that's that one. Alrighty. So next up we have another planner. Or maybe I should, yeah, another planner. So that's this one here, which I did all the layers too. Well, most of the layers. Or did I do all the layers? No, I did do all the layers. Starting off with this innermost layer, which is right here. That's the innermost. Then I did this big one, which is this one here. Cute. And then this is the reinforcers, which I did attach. And then these two, this you can use for everything. This is great. Great. Measures 4 3/4 inches. So you can use just these two on layouts and, you know, covers of mini albums, planner pages, more and more pages. And I just kept on playing. If you like this little leaf die, that's Simon Says stamp. Cute, right? Alrighty, so that's that planner die. Next up we have the memorydex, and I think that's it for my project share. So let me show you all my little memorydexes. They are the gamut. So first, let's do the move this out the way. The pot, which I said was a cauldron, but it's actually supposed to be just like a recipe memorydex, but in my mind, it's a cauldron. So until I put some gingerbread in front of it, right? Gingerbread people, and turn it into like a Christmas cooking pot. But isn't that cute? And then I backed this up, 110-pound cardstock. So it's like super thick, but I love it. And I used a die from, I think it's KS Craft. This is supposed to be icicles, but I turned it into like cooking goo. I put a little ephemera piece. This is from Alina on AliExpress. And just played with the pattern paper. Really cute, quick, easy to put together, but impactful, isn't it? Love it. Next up, I have the one with the truck. When you cut it though, it does go this way. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be flipped. I know with the camera die, there was a little mistake with it not being mirrored. So that has been fixed. And the seller, if you already ordered it and it's on its way and it comes with the wrong orientation, just send a message on AliExpress and he'll send you a new one. Or if you buy it now, it'll be rectified, already done. So mine is on the way. So I was supposed to do the camera die planner thing, but I have to wait. So now this is a little truck. Isn't it cute? Same 110-pound cardstock. I did try to stamp and heat emboss, and it is what it is. It didn't go so well. Maybe I can find a little sticker. But look at that. This is a die from my stash, and I just layered up a bunch of pumpkins. I put some, yes, that's vellum, to be the window. And all of this I had to piece. So it was a bunch of pieces, but still fun and cute. So that's the truck memorydex done in a sort of a Thanksgiving style for fall. Next up, we have the film strip, which you probably can't even see the film strip, but I kind of got carried away with this one. I love this. So the film strip goes in here, and I had this idea. I was going to do you know, little scene with one of my little characters that I have colored with Copics, and next thing I know, it turned into the whole of this thing. So I had this little character that I bought. I had shown you a video recently of a haul from My Favorite Things. This little one, this set from My Favorite Things that I bought. So that's her right there with the little cat. Didn't even have space to fit the cat. Well, maybe I could have, but I wanted to have the scene in the back. And so I did some ink blending, little splattering of paint, took out, these are dies from my stash, die from my stash, die from my stash, fence from my stash, and layered it up all on a 110-pound cardstock. Isn't that cute? And then favorite color purple, so, you know, yeah. It's cute, just so cute. It just made me smile making this. I was having so much fun. So that's that memorydex, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's the film strip memorydex. So you can put anything in this, and to use it on layouts, look at that. You could just fit photos like 1, 2, another one. Really, really cute. I'm going to use that definitely with the camera planner die too when it comes. Alrighty, folks. Well, hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoyed all the little reveals. I had a ton of fun making it. Where's my card? I don't see my card, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.